Clarifying, 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 clarifying. Ooh. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Spirit. Woo, woo, yes. And today I am finally washing my hair after 7 weeks. Woo, woo. She still got a little movement. Stiff wear. Stiff who? Shit. I'm washing my hair after 7 weeks. I'm so excited because my hair needs a good cleansing, a deep cleansing. And today I will be using Mielle Organics Mofungo Oil Exfoliating Shampoo. This is to clarify, deep cleanse, and remove product buildup. So one of my favorite ways to remove buildup from my hair is an ACV rinse, but I have never tried a clarifying shampoo. So I want to see how my hair feels during this experience and after this experience, and I'm going to let you know if you should do it too. If you should do it too. We're gonna figure out soon, girls. I'm ready to clean my head, get into it, and I will meet you back at the video. Bye. And I'm going in the shower. You can't get in there. Mind your business. I feel good, da-na-na-na-na-na. I knew that I would now, yeah. Okay, Mielle, clarifying shampoo. I liked it. Let's talk about it. Okay, so Cardi B, don't sue me, girl. You know I love you. So using this exfoliating shampoo, clarifying shampoo, the thing that I was looking for was for my hair to feel cleansed but not stripped. And so I actually felt like I experienced that. So I did my first wash with just this shampoo, put it through my hair, and as I was rinsing my hair out, my hair definitely had that feeling of just hair. You know how when you put oil on your hair, you can kind of feel a coating. There was no coating left on my hair. Instead, it felt very cleansed, very script, not stripped, but script of every little thing, every little morsel or particle that could have been in my hair. Felt like it was taken out with just one wash, so I really like that. But because I had went 7 weeks without washing my hair, I automatically knew I wanted to do a second wash, you know, just to make sure we get the and the out of there. I sweat a lot, I work out, you know, I do my thing, so I wanted to make sure that there was nothing left in my hair. And with the second wash, instead of just using this, because I don't think my hair needed to be kind of stripped, you know what I'm talking about. I didn't think my hair needed to be stripped all the way again. So instead, I mixed the exfoliating shampoo with a hydrating shampoo. So with Locs, it's very important that when you strip it of moisture, whether it be an ACV rinse or a clarifying shampoo or any kind of detox that you do to your hair, you always want to start infusing the hydration and the moisture back into your hair. So the second time around, I washed my locks with the hydrating shampoo mixed with the exfoliating shampoo. And what I noticed was this time when I rinsed my hair out, my hair felt softer and it just felt happy, moisturized again. It didn't feel so stripped, which is exactly what I was looking for. And you'll never believe, you just won't believe what I used for conditioner this time. I used an herbal tea rinse that my friend made for me, and I felt goddamn awesome. If you want to know more about herbal tea rinses, put it in my bio. Put it in the comments. You know what I mean? Put it in the comments if you want to learn more about herbal tea rinses. Look at my hair. I ain't about to say shit. Okay. My hair feels so good. It feels moisturized because of the tea rinse that I use, but it feels so cleansed because of the shampoos that I use. And so I'm so thankful that I finally got off my ass and got in the shower and washed my hair. This time around, I am not going to be retwisting my hair. Instead, I'm going to do some 2-strand twist with the roots that I have, because I like when I do the 2-strand twist and you have the curls, I don't like it to look too flat to the head. Instead, I like a little bit of volume. However, when you are not retwisting your hair, you still want to make sure to take care of your roots, not to leave them alone. And because your hair is full of moisture, this is the perfect time for you to put a little oil in your head, put a little aloe vera gel in your head. So what I will be doing is I'm gonna do my rose water conditioning spray as I'm twisting my hair, you know, just to make sure she lit out in that thing. Make sure she's lit right there. And then I will do the aloe vera gel in a nice natural oil combination to twist my hair down. And when I take it out in 3 days, I think it would be really nice to have a bit of volume. Follow me on Spirit Loves Locs. You know I'm gonna be showing you the pic, ho. Bye! By the way, darling, if you like this video, don't forget to like it below. Leave a comment, say your name, say what's up, say where you're from, and subscribe for more.